Hi, welcome to Schogini Toys. We will continue with our last experiment where we have added a simple wire as a touch input. Now today what we are going to do is we are going to add a dice logic to our Arduino Uno board so that randomly it will pick a number from 1 to 6. But how do we display? The best way or the most attractive way to display is using a matrix display. That is max 7219 digit we will use. So this is how it works. You can see it here. So our touch input wire is here. I touch it and the display changes. Now it is showing 6. Okay, so it's 6 again, 5, 1, 4. Perfect. So let's go over the code. I'll provide the code and the connection diagram on our website. You can visit Schogini.com website. So here we are defining the 3 pins required for the matrix display. So from here, so the matrix display, so you can see here, clock, chip select, data in, ground and VCC. Now we are using the digital pins 5, 6 and 7. So connection is very simple. And then on this side we are using the ground and +5 output. And this is our touch input. That is it. That is all the connection required. Okay, so now here we have the setup section of the code. We are also using a library for this matrix display called ledcontrol.h, which you can easily install using the Arduino IDE's library manager. Okay, so here we are setting the intensity. I'm keeping the intensity low. We clear the display and we are also setting a random seed for our random number generation. So random number generation, if the seed is same every time, then when you start the Arduino Uno, when you power up, first random number will be same, or the random numbers will come in the same order as well. So in order to avoid that, it's a good practice to read the analog input, in this case or 0, which will provide a random value. So that way every time you power on, also the random number logic will have a different setting. We initially blink. We have a blink routine which will clear the display and show 9, that is 9 dots it will show 3 times. Okay, this logic is very simple. And after that, in the loop we are getting the touch input, and inside the loop if this touch threshold condition is met, it will be treated as touched and it will generate a random number. From 1 to 7 means it will generate a random number from 1 to 6. We blink once and then we will show the generated number. There is a delay for 500 milliseconds to prevent any multiple input. And again, this 500 millisecond delay is the outer delay, that is when there is no touch input. The last number displayed stays on the digit and it loops. So every 500 milliseconds it will check if there is any touch input. That is it. So here is again how it works. Okay, perfect. So if you have any doubt, any clarification, any modification, please comment, and also please remember to like, share and subscribe so that you don't miss our videos. See you again soon with another video. Take care and keep making. Bye bye.